What is AI and the potential of artificial intelligence? In today's video we are going to discuss the potential of artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work. It plays a major role in shaping the future by driving technologies such as big data, robotics, and IoT. With its immense potential, AI will continue to lead technological advancements in the coming years. IFM has developed a shoebox-sized device that employs machine learning and computer vision for safety event detection and classification. It monitors the driver's actions, speed, location, people nearby, and other forklift operators. The software detects safety violations such as cell phone use and alerts warehouse managers to take action, aimed at preventing accidents and improving efficiency. The device's presence alone has had a significant impact, according to IFM. Cameras are currently the most advanced sensors available at an affordable price, according to an expert. Thanks to smartphones, cameras, and image sensors have become affordable while still providing vast amounts of information. Today, one image can provide 25 signals, but in just 6 months, the number is expected to increase to 100 or 150 signals. This growth is attributed to advancements in the software used to analyze the image. Every new customer adds to the overall system, allowing it to continually improve and detect increasingly relevant information. Glimpses on the evolution of AI. AI innovation continues to thrive, with numerous companies and individuals contributing to the field. Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla and TechMobile, donated $10 million to OpenAI, a non-profit research company. This donation is just a fraction of his $1 billion pledge in 2015, showing the continued support and investment in AI research. AI has come a long way from its early days of knowledge engineering to model-based machine learning and advanced perception, reasoning, and generalization. AI is now in the spotlight like never before and will likely remain there for the foreseeable future. Why it has so much importance? AI is vital as it creates the base for computer learning. Computers can analyze large amounts of data and make quick, optimal decisions thanks to AI, outperforming humans. How AI would change our lives. AI, specifically narrow AI, has impacted virtually every major industry. With increased data collection and analysis, AI's impact on our daily lives is noticeable. Some industries are just beginning their AI journey, while others are experienced. Regardless, there's still a long way to go. Artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed various industries, from education to manufacturing, customer service, healthcare, and media. In education, AI is used to digitize textbooks and provide early-stage virtual tutors. Facial analysis is also employed to gauge student emotions and customize their learning experience. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots work alongside humans to perform specific tasks, while predictive analysis sensors keep equipment running efficiently. Google is developing an AI assistant that can place human-like calls for appointments. In healthcare, AI is used for faster and more accurate disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and virtual nursing assistance. In media, AI is utilized by companies such as Bloomberg and the Associated Press to make quick sense of complex reports and to produce more news stories, respectively. Why AI is an amazing business nowadays. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized the business world in recent years. AI technologies have been developed to automate various business processes, making them more efficient and effective. The rise of AI has led to a significant increase in productivity, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. Here are some of the reasons why AI is an amazing business nowadays. First and foremost, AI enables businesses to automate repetitive tasks. For example, chatbots can handle customer inquiries and provide immediate answers, freeing up human employees to handle more complex tasks. This saves time and money and ensures that customers get quick and accurate answers to their questions. Additionally, AI can help businesses make better decisions. With its advanced algorithms, AI can analyze vast amounts of data and provide valuable insights that can be used to make informed decisions. This can lead to improved decision-making and a significant increase in efficiency. For example, AI can be used to predict sales trends, forecast demand and optimize inventory levels, thereby reducing waste and increasing profitability. Moreover, AI can improve customer experience. With AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, businesses can provide 24/7 support to customers, even after business hours. This ensures that customers always have access to the information they need and can resolve any issues quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, AI can personalize customer experiences by providing personalized recommendations and advertisements, which can increase customer engagement and loyalty. AI has the potential to transform the business world. With its ability to automate tasks, provide valuable insights, and improve customer experience, AI is helping businesses become more efficient, effective, and profitable. AI is an amazing business tool that has the potential to change the way we work and live. It is important for businesses to embrace this technology and stay ahead of the curve. How to use artificial intelligence efficiently. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly transformed the world we live in, providing innovative solutions to various industries, ranging from healthcare to finance. To use AI efficiently, companies need to understand the right applications of AI and the right technologies to use. First, organizations should focus on the problems that AI can solve, such as identifying patterns in data, predicting future trends, or automating repetitive tasks. Once a problem has been identified, companies can determine the best AI technology to solve it. For example, machine learning is ideal for pattern recognition, while natural language processing is perfect for text-based analysis. Second, companies should aim to integrate AI into their existing systems and processes, instead of completely replacing them. This can be done by using API-based solutions or by using cloud-based AI services. This integration allows companies to maximize the benefits of AI while minimizing disruption to their operations. Third, companies should also invest in their employees, providing them with the training and tools necessary to work with AI. This will not only increase their productivity but also enhance their job satisfaction. Finally, companies should be transparent about the use of AI and ensure that it is ethically aligned with the company's values. This can be achieved by developing a clear set of guidelines for the use of AI, and by conducting regular audits to ensure that it is being used responsibly. Future of artificial intelligence. According to Mendelsohn, two areas of AI research are particularly intriguing and will have significant impacts in the near future. The first area is reinforcement learning, which focuses on rewards and punishments rather than labeled data. The second area is generative adversarial networks, GAN, which allow algorithms to generate original images or audio based on learned information. These areas are demonstrated by AlphaGo Zero's success in playing the game of Go and original image or audio generation based on a particular subject. AI also has the potential to greatly impact sustainability and environmental issues. By using advanced sensors, cities can become more livable with reduced congestion and pollution. According to Narstedt, the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in prediction can lead to the implementation of certain policies and rules. For example, sensors installed in cars that send information about traffic conditions can predict potential traffic issues and improve the flow of vehicles on the road. Although this technology is still in its early stages, it is expected to play a major role in the future. AI is projected to have a significant impact on 60% of businesses and is already present in many areas such as smart devices, healthcare, and popular apps. The influence of AI is expected to grow even more in many other industries in the future. However, it is important to note that this technology is not yet perfected and is still in its infancy. Privacy risks of AI in the world. Artificial intelligence's dependence on big data has already begun to raise concerns about privacy. Numerous cases, such as Cambridge Analytica's misuse of Facebook data and Amazon's Alexa's eavesdropping capabilities, highlight the dangers of unchecked tech advancement. Critics argue that unless proper regulations are put in place, the situation will only worsen. Apple CEO Tim Cook has been a vocal critic of companies like Google and Facebook, which collect vast amounts of personal information and monetize it. Cook believes that artificial intelligence must respect human values, including privacy, to truly be considered smart. If not, the consequences could be profound. Many experts share Cook's concerns. In a 2018 paper by human rights and privacy groups Article 19 and Privacy International, the authors raised their worries about the impact of AI on human rights. The authors believe that AI can be a great benefit to society if implemented responsibly. However, there is always the risk that commercial and state use of AI could have a negative impact on human rights. It's crucial that we take privacy seriously and implement regulations to ensure that AI is used ethically. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from healthcare and education to finance and transportation. Its ability to process vast amounts of data and identify patterns that humans might miss make it ideal for solving complex problems. However, while AI has the potential to greatly improve our lives, it's important to remember that it's still an emerging technology and its impact will depend on how it's developed and used. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content.